Hi guys, Zori Mori here. Welcome back to my channel. And for my French viewers, bienvenue. Je suis très heureuse de vous voir ici. Today we are doing a Sezane summer collection unboxing. I was really convinced that my next Sezane unboxing will be pre-fall or fall, mostly because 3 weeks ago when I was shopping the summer collection, I asked the customer service if there will be more items coming up, is there like another summer capsule, and they told me that the summer collection was complete. And I believe them. Big mistake. Last week they released the biggest collection since March, and of course I couldn't resist. I was still kind of hungry for some summer items, so I bought a few things and I want to show you what I got because a few of the things are still in stock and the other items might be restocked. You know them, they keep like bringing items every Wednesday and Sunday. I want to give you like a good overview of the materials and the fit, because sometimes on the website it's very hard to tell like the length or like the detailing of their pieces. So without any further ado, let me show you what I got. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, first off, I got the Artemis Belt, and I know that most of the Sezane fans really love this belt, and how can you not love it? I mean, look at this buckle. I love the detailing. It's gold. On their website, when you look at it, you can't really tell if it's gold or silver, even though it spells out gold. The picture doesn't really represent it well, but in person it's definitely gold. And the body of the belt is called Taupe. I went with size 80 because I'm only planning to wear it with like high-waisted pants and dresses, so I definitely needed the smaller size. Really beautiful. I'm in love with the taupe color. However, the green one was the one that made me pull the trigger, because on the pictures it looked like way lighter green than it actually is. So I was a little disappointed when it arrived because it's not as light green. I mean, I guess you can see that it's green on a certain angle, but the rest of the time is just too dark. So I think I'm planning to only keep one because they keep releasing other colors. I feel like for my closet, the taupe is way more versatile. Also, when it comes to seasons, I do think that the taupe is more universal across all the seasons versus the green. I don't know, it does kind of like pull me towards the fall and the winter a little bit more. Maybe it's just the type of clothes I have, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think. But I'll sleep on it a few more nights. As of now, I'm leaning towards just keeping the taupe. Okay, so here we have the Nelly Skirt, and I'm no stranger to the Nelly Skirt. I own other Nelly Skirts. I got my usual size of 34, so the waistline is the same as the other Nellies. It fits really well. The pattern is this blue and kind of like white, off-white polka dot. I mean, they say it's off-white, but to me it's more white than it's not. However, I was disappointed. I missed the memo that the Nelly is now longer than it used to be, and it's almost at the maxi length, but it's still a little bit shorter than a maxi, so it's kind of awkward. I'm debating if I want to keep it and take it to the tailor or if I'm gonna send it back. I'm not sure. I love the color though. I feel like this pattern, a polka dot, you can wear it in spring, in summer, in fall. It's very versatile, so that's why I'm tempted to keep it. I was sold on the collection when I saw this polka dot. It reminds me of summer, of vacation in Portugal and Italy. However, that length is still bugging me, so I'll sleep on it a few more nights and see if I'm gonna keep it. Alright, we keep riding the polka dot train. We have the polka dot top that is called Alban, and again it's size 34. Beautiful. Same pattern as the skirt, but the material is very different. It's a very light cotton. You can almost see my hand, but don't worry, when you put it on it does not come across as transparent because it has all these like little frill details at the front. So if you don't like transparent clothing and you're worried that this is too thin, don't worry, you can't really see anything. Like, it's not that kind of top. I appreciate the gathered strap. I always like a gathered sleeve or a gathered strap because it's more feminine and more fun this way. And this is another detail, this little button at the front. So if you want to show more cleavage, you can just open it. I personally don't have much going on in this department, so I'm not gonna be going that route, but if you want, you can. I was initially thinking this could be fun if I wear it with the skirt and then I belt it so it won't look as separate, it will look like a dress. That could be fun. Oh no, this is such a fun summer piece. I can see myself wearing it somewhere in Europe. Oh, I've been dreaming of Europe so much lately. Maybe next summer. But yeah, really happy with this top. Let's see what else we got. And the gorgeous Anne shirt. When I saw this pattern, I knew I had to get something in it. So I was debating, should it be a dress, should it be a skirt? But I think I'll get the most wear out of the shirt. I love separates. So something I can throw over my jeans. The material is very light. It's also somewhat transparent. My recommendation is, instead of doing a blue bra, which will probably be a go-to for a lot of people, try to do just like a skin color bra or a skin color tank top. I think it's better because when you do a blue bra with this shirt, the blue kind of pops because rarely you have like the same shade of blue, so you can see the bra more. Try with a tan. And I finally got the Raphaelle skirt. I'm so excited. I've been on the hunt for this skirt for so long and it just always sells out. I feel like they were stocking like 2 or 3 items per size. It was always just gone in seconds, but finally this dropped. They had one, I think, in my size, which is 34, and I snagged it. Very excited. I love this detail, this elastic part at the back, and the buttons at the front. You can decide how deep the slit can go. And for the summer months, I'll definitely unbutton it higher. And then for the fall, maybe I'll do like less of an opening. But this, I think, is my favorite Sezane skirt ever. What do you guys think? Any Raphael fans over here? Alright, so this was the Sezane Summer Unboxing Part 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below which items are your favorite. What did you think of the unboxing? If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you next time. Au revoir!